Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cooling mattress toppers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sleep Zone Cooling Mattress Topper. The Sleep Zone Cooling Queen Mattress Pad is a cutting-edge product packed with features for any bedroom. It utilizes the latest nanotech's coolest comfort technology, ensuring optimal moisture wicking and fast drying for a comfortably cool night's sleep. The sleep surface is embossed with a breathable sports fabric material, making it more stylish and comfortable than traditional materials. The mattress pad is generously filled with 12 ounces of 5D spiral fiber, making it one of the fluffiest pads available. It features a 3-zone design with wavy and cloud-shaped quilting for pressure point relief and natural body stretching. The Sleep Zone mattress pad also has deep pocket construction that fits mattresses ranging from 8 to 21 inches and is kept securely in place. What we like about it: reduced shoulder and hip pain. Good non-slip design. Keeps the bed cool. What we don't like about it: not waterproof as claimed. Number 2. Sleep Mattress Cooling Mattress Topper. The Sleep Mattress Cooling Mattress Topper is a premium addition to your bed that offers optimal thickness for support, breathability, and comfortable sleep. With its 300 thread count 100% cotton construction, it provides a strong support system while preventing backaches, unlike extra thick pads. Additionally, it offers excellent breathability, ensuring you don't experience sweaty nights caused by memory foam pads or traditional mattresses. This mattress topper features a soft and plush feel thanks to its advanced 100% polyester fibers, down alternative, fill. What we like about it: the optimal thickness for support and comfort. Excellent breathability and temperature regulation. Deep pocket design for a perfect fit. What we don't like about it: hard to clean. Number 3. Bed Luxury Cooling Mattress Topper. The Bed Luxury Cooling Mattress Topper is constructed from memory foam infused with cooling gel to capture and distribute heat. This product provides adaptive comfort and support to relieve common pressure points and prevent sinking into foam. The bamboo fiber cover is skin-friendly, breathable, and adjustable with elastic straps and an anti-slip surface backing. The removable zipper closure makes it easy to disassemble and wash. A big benefit of the mattress topper is that the memory foam and bamboo cover are certified by Certipar US and Okotex, respectively. What we like about it: provides pain relief. Easy to set up. Do not slip around the mattress. Can withstand delicate washing. Helps prevent tossing and turning. What we don't like about it: may be too soft for some people. Number 4. Sleep Innovations Cooling Memory Foam Mattress Topper. The Sleep Innovations Cooling Mattress Topper is ideal for those seeking a comfortably cool sleeping experience. This topper contains cooling gel memory foam that actively reduces heat and improves airflow, ensuring optimal breathability and making it a valuable addition to any mattress. It also provides personalized comfort and helps prolong the life of the mattress, resulting in deeper and more rejuvenating sleep. Manufactured in the USA, this topper is hypoallergenic and Certipar US certified, guaranteeing consumers high-quality materials and peace of mind. What we like about it: offers long-lasting comfort. It provides excellent motion isolation. It helps absorb body heat. Easy to install and remove. What we don't like about it: it may have a new smell. Number 5. Lindsay Living Cooling Mattress Topper. Experience a revolution in sleep-related comfort with the Lindsay Living Ventilated Cooling Mattress Topper. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this mattress topper is designed to transform your sleeping experience into a luxurious haven of rest. The innovative blend of materials and cutting-edge features ensures that you wake up feeling rejuvenated. What we like about it. Enhanced sleep quality with plush materials. What we don't like about it. Offers unparalleled comfort. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.